I've got the Tory Burch Jacquard bucket bag. And that's what this card holder is going to be for. And all of my video equipment has torn up and given out on me. So, yeah, just bear with me while I try to get this thing out of the bag. There we go. Just gorgeous. Just a beautiful red. It looks like it's showing up lighter on the camera. But it is a true red. So, and there we go. Leather lined, it's all leather. And it's a 4-card card holder. So, I don't believe I've got this one at Nordstrom's. Yeah, Neiman Marcus. Alright. And that's for that piece. Thank you, Neiman Marcus. Yay. Okay, and the next item that I'm going to be unboxing is going to be from Rue La La. And these shoes have been out and been popular for a minute, and I finally got on board with it. So, yeah. And my big purchase piece for my Christmas was, of course, my Louis Vuitton diamond gold necklace. And so I am still loving that. And everything else now is just gravy on the boat, you know, gravy on the biscuit. There we go. And my first pair of Vejas. So, okay. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. I know that's the first time I've got a newspaper in with a pair of shoes. But hey, you know. Okay, well that's cool. Let's take a look at the shoes. And COVID changed my voice some. And I'll be glad when I get it back. If I ever get it back. Okay. And y'all, I got these for a great deal. They were on sale. And then somehow or another I had a $25 Rue La La credit. And so, yeah, I got them for about $75. And they are really cute. So, I will have to try these on and let you know in the review how they fit. See, I can slide them on real quick. And so I have seen these shoes everywhere. I mean, all over the internet. So I'm interested to try them out. They look huge. Because I think this is one of those that where they do a whole size instead of a half size. So I'm going to try and see if I can't get us a little feel here for what. And they are huge. I am not gonna lie, they are huge. So I'm gonna have to lace these up. And see if I can wear these. I think we're gonna be good, but we will just have to see. And I will let you guys know in the description box below. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing. Please like, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I do one of these unboxings. And you guys have a great holiday. Wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you and that you have all that you ever dreamed of. And please know that you are worth it. Love y'all. Bye.